Hello everyone, today we will give you how to convert CD to MP3 audio files with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below. Go to Toolbox and click the CD converter. Step 2. Choose CD files you want to convert. Connect your CD to the computer. All audio files will be listed on the interface. Step 3. Convert CD to MP3. You can choose the output as WAV, MP3, or M4A. Click the setting icon channel, sample rate, and bitrate. Choose the file output folder and click on the RIP CD button to start converting CD to audio files. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.